Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. Wanted to stop by really quick. So last night I was working on a necklace. I had no idea how this was going to turn out, right? So it did turn out actually better than I thought that it would, but it came out really nice. Look at that. Just amazingly gorgeous. I did make a couple of mistakes with it, like on the end part, I didn't leave a big enough, I guess it's called a bail, like this, the hoop part like this on the bottom of each of the pieces. So I am going to be making more of these necklaces. So I do know what I need to do for the upcoming ones, like the ones I'm going to be making next. I do need to leave like bigger hoops on each end, so that I can put in jump rings. And I want to use more than one jump ring. It just has a nicer look, the more jump rings you use. And then I'll probably run out tomorrow and get some thicker jump rings, and I'll try those first to see what those look like, and if they look as good as I'm thinking they're gonna look, because I do like when it's like double jump rings, sometimes triple jump rings. They just have a really nice look to them, and I am pleased with the way that all the little pieces came out. So the next necklaces I'm gonna make a lot like this. I'm going to make these, but I'm not going to make the pieces to match like how these match. I'm going to just do it wicked. I'm going to just do all the pieces, and chances are I'm going to make these pieces here even larger, like nice big. So that means I would have to use some bigger beads in order to get it to look like this. But I do got a couple of ideas in mind, based on how this came out. So this came out like really, I'm digging it. I'm like really digging it. And I'm going to wear this one. I'm going to definitely wear this one. You guys let me know what you think. And thank you for hanging out here in the Jewelry by BDK community here on YouTube. And guess what? We'll talk.